Hey, G2KR Vacations and Travel Gang. This is your girl and your boss lady, Keisha. We are on another encounter. Today is a birthday celebration, and we are out on the road. As soon as we get to our destination, we hook you up. Stay tuned. Oh, me know. Come we drive and pass.
Yes, yes. My body not Keisha care, but my mind not in it.
Why?
Why your body not in it? What your mind upon, sir?
And you there front to put anything to happen?
What's happen? Not happen.
What I mean is you are supposed to be driving with me.
Yeah, I learned.
Body dead, but man no dead is a man you want.
She that done with, she that done with properly.
She was done into another place.
Yeah, man.
No,
She that
sir.
done, man.
You know, so can it come like, can it get ready before the whole of it?
She ever queen job. I know she dig out round there.
I try to turn this video for me and me not get it. It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I want shopping. It's my life. I need money. Yeah.
So we are at our destination, and as you can see from the sign, we are at the Grand Excelsior Hotel. That's about 15 minutes away from the Norman Manley International Airport, and we are going to dine. The birthday girls are going to have dinner, and we're going to take the opportunity as well to just view the property, see what it is like, so that you, whenever you get here, you will know what to expect. All right, so come with us. Yes, so the girls are here, and the birthday girls are stepping out. Them are going like they all. Come on, what me up on the foot and come out. Birthday girl, say hello. Watch ya, watch at girl. Let me zoom in panda one here. No, sir. Things are going fair, my friends. I was at the hot one there, she with fair English pound self. Look how she round like English pound. Right there, sir. Yeah, see it there.
Right there.
Who remembers this? We are at Port Royal. Yes, welcome, girls and my clients. It is a pleasure to be here. I'm going to be meeting with my business partners, and we're going to be taking you around to show you what the property looks like. Stay with us. So as you enter the foyer, you will see the guest relations desk. This is where you will come and check in. This is the foyer, and they have a gift shop. I'm going to try and see if I can get on the inside to see what exactly they sell. You actually step out into their sitting area. I guess if you have, perhaps this is where the persons come to relax, use the Wi-Fi. Yes, those are the girls over there, and we are actually waiting on somebody to show us the property in depth.
So let's start with the jacuzzi.
All right, so we are entering the jacuzzi suite, and as you enter, you see the closet area. And I'm going to allow Ryan to do the honors by telling us about this suite. This is lovely, Ryan. Are you sure this is an Airbnb?
Airbnb?
What is it? Is it all inclusive?
Airbnb. No, it's not all inclusive.
Okay.
It's breakfast inclusive.
Oh, okay. Bed and breakfast.
We are a small hotel.
Is this the only lighting that's here?
Yeah.
Oh,
So this is one of our quote unquote honeymoon suites.
okay.
So lighting is at a minimum.
Right. You're giving us a little bit of sexy.
Go back to this bathroom here right here. You'll see that little thing there.
Marlene, you need to see this.
It's also there.
Wow. Guys, this is the honeymoon suite, and they're ensuring that you have a lot of sexy in this suite. So you can do the lighting. This is the jacuzzi suite, guys.
It's 36 and change during the week.
Okay, so this is the king room. Let's see the view here. I'm trying to get a view. Okay, so you have a little ocean going on there. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. It's not bad at all for a bed and breakfast. I really never expected to see this. It's really not bad. This is something that I'll definitely sell to my clients without hesitation. Yeah, I saw the view. They have a little bit of ocean. So you know they can sit down there, dip the feet in the water. How many persons do you allow to a room like this?
Two.
Only two? Oh. Standard side, meaning that it's just what, a
Those
double?
are the lower room rates.
Okay.
Those are mostly king size. Fortunately, none are available right now.
Oh, so that was going to be my next question in terms of your occupancy rates. Is you still have a high occupancy? Oh, that's good. Yes, guys. So this can hold. It has two double beds in it, so you know it can have however you want it for your family. Of course, it is an adjoining room as well. So if you have your family coming over, you can get this room that allows you to go to the next room with your family. And of course, it has enough space for a blow up bed if you desire. All right. It has a small 32-inch, this looks like, television. And the view also is not so bad. Not bad at all. It has a balcony area if you want to come out and relax in the evenings or in the mornings to take in, you know, the view, some fresh air. You're welcome to do so. And it is very big as well, guys. I'm not sure if my camera is capturing all of that, but it is very big, right? And it also has a kitchenette area. Has a kitchenette area where you can do your little tea in the morning, put together something, has a sink, and of course it has the refrigerator where, you know, it will be stocked. So it's empty right now because the room is empty, but it will be stocked with probably 2 jukes. Ryan, yeah, I love it. Now let's start, Ryan. All right, but anyway, this is nice. I would definitely sell it. I've seen some 3 and 4 star resort that does not look quite like this, so I would definitely feel comfortable selling this to my customers.
King room pool view.
King room?
Yeah. With a pool view.
Oh, so this is the king room pool view. Has the refrigerator, a mini fridge. It has an area for you to do your teas, do a little washing up if you'd like. This is what I want because you all know I love the mirror, don't? Yeah, yeah, goody. I love the mirror. Eh. Yes, and I like it. For me, when I'm doing my work, so I vacation and I get paid when I'm on vacation. So this desk will be my desk to do my work and to book your vacation, guys. I have me a little 32-inch television as well. And it is the pool view. Yeah, so you'll see me over there in my two-piece bathing suit, guys. Oh, when the belly big, I'll be over there. And this is your balcony area, as I stated before, very big. Jesus, ran the stairs. I feel winded. Oh my God. Yeah, man, I'm
You can
finished.
also add these two. I think it's maybe 3 of these that can open up into family.
Family as well. Okay, great.
We find that majority of the rooms, especially on this block, can be opened up into adjoining rooms.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice and it's clean. Ooh, there's a gym area for me to keep my summer body. Guys, look at it. Look at it. All you fitness guru people, this is where I know you will be. Running the treadmill and the bicycle, the leg press. Here are your weights, your dumbbells.
Yeah, this bed looks like my bed.
So these are the pool view with a partial harbor view.
Okay.
There's another bed upstairs.
So this is oh.
So this,
Oh. This is the pool view, and you have a partial harbor view, so you can see the harbor from this floor. Ooh. Yes, it's nice. It is really nice. Huh?
I can do that again. This can accommodate five persons.
Oh, there's another. I didn't even see that you have a stairs to go up. But Molly, I wouldn't want you on the upstairs. No, Molly, you forgot to take the bottom floor because you're going to disturb me. No, stop. Oh, nice. This is not. Boy. Marlene, when them put you up yourself.
God, God, I can't please don't.
No, look on the counter there.
Mama.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I want shopping. It's my life. I need money. Yeah. It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I want shopping. It's my life.
Okay, so this one now, they have one that leaves from Ribbons downtown. To where?
It just cruises the harbor.
Oh,
8
just
p.m. in
cruises?
the night.
Okay.
Yeah, so 8 p.m. on a Friday night, you can meet us down by Ribbons.
Okay.
We set sail in the Kingston Harbor. We'll come back at 11 p.m. at night.
And that's 75 per person.
75 per person.
And you say can hold up to about 200 persons.
Yeah, this boat can hold 200 persons.
All right, thank you so much. All right, his duty call, guys. So he's going to speak with the persons who are organizing the party for tomorrow. I'm pretty sure that we will see much more of the loose cannon 1, 2, and 3 in the harbor. Okay? Yeah, so this is just lovely. So if you come here with your spouse, with your family, anything, the setting is just awesome, guys. And I'm sitting out here looking over on the sunset. Look at the birds. Wow, all the way looking across the harbor. It is just, the ships are docked. I'm going to try and see if I can get one of them to have me going on the ship. But guys, it is just lovely. You want to be here. So I'm just going to end business right now, and I'm going to have dinner with the birthday girls. See you all.